Hi, my love. You are in for a treat today. We are making these sweet and salty tahini cookies. So healthy, so amazing, guilt-free. You'll love it. Let's go. We're gonna start by making a flax egg, and you just mix some flax meal with water and let that sit. The full ingredients and instruction will be in the description. Just click the link. I like using a chopstick to mix sometimes, it's fun. Then just mix all your dry ingredients. So that's going to be the flours, the salt, and the baking soda. For these cookies, you're going to use baking soda. It's going to give the cookies a little bit of a crispiness on the outside. We're using dates to sweeten, some big juicy medjool dates, and all you're gonna do is just chop them up. Okay, chop, keep chopping until they form sort of a paste, because dates are so soft and sticky when they're really good, and if you chop them small enough, they kind of turn into a paste. The pieces will mix together. You'll still have your individual pieces, but they are so sticky that you can spread them apart if you wanted to, almost like a nut butter. Not exactly, it's not that smooth as you can see, but it gets pretty smooth, almost spreadable, and that's where you want it. So we're gonna slide that off. Be careful, you know, but we got skills over here in this kitchen, in Kira's kitchen, so we can do it like that. You want to put all your other ingredients in this large bowl. You're going to grab a large bowl and put all the wet ingredients. The dates count as a wet ingredient. We're also going to add in the tahini. Tahini is amazing. We're going to add honey to sweeten as well, just a little bit of honey, not too much, because we already have those dates working to sweeten, but we want it a little more sweet. These are cookies, okay, and it is honey. Then we add vanilla extract and that flax egg that had been sitting. The flax egg is going to add a bit of moisture and act like a binder for the cookies, so it's going to keep all of the ingredients together. Is going to allow the cookie to hold, because these cookies are gluten-free, and gluten is usually the protein that binds, but since we're not using any gluten, we need a little bit of a flax egg to bind. I just gave those dry ingredients a little whirl, a little mix, and then add them into the large bowl with the wet ingredients. Mix and mix together until your dough forms. I got in there with my hands to just get the dough fully incorporated, and it's very satisfying, especially with a bowl like this. Whatever this bowl is made out of, it's so easy for me to get the ingredients off of the bowl. It doesn't stick to the bowl. Next, you're going to want to split the cookies into 5. I did 5 cookies here. You can do 4 if you want bigger ones, or you can do 6 if you want smaller ones, and also you can double and triple this recipe to get you 10, 15, 20 cookies if that's what you want. Do your thing. Then you want to use something to flatten the cookies out. I just used a measuring cup, and I just flattened all the cookies. If they needed a little shaping, I did a little shaping and caressing, because you know I love to interact with my food, and I was very careful taking it off of the measuring cup so that the cookie stayed intact. As you can see, no cookie left behind on that measuring cup, just on the sheet. Then we bake them, and these are what they look like baked. They don't change too much in appearance, but you can see around the edges that it's brown. It's a golden brown, and that's the crisp edge. So delicious. And the center is very chewy. It's very delicious. It has some body to it. Oh, they're so good. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you make it, so healthy and good for you, gluten-free and vegan. Peace.